Hello, because I have a itchy, mild itchy sore throat today, but I'm feeling better now. Earlier this morning it was bad. I was coughing during my classes, but with the help of 3 cups of ginger tea, I feel so much better now. But anyway, this video, I have a class later at 8 o'clock in the evening. But since I am way behind my 200 video challenge, I am recording this just to give an update. And also, if uh, my neighbor is playing loud music right now, so I will check if the loud music is if I can hear the loud music in the background in this video. So, yes, life update. I haven't really, I've been busy with a lot of things, mostly with my work right now. I started working in another ESL company teaching English to professionals. And also, I have another one which is Preply. I have uh, my Preply students are all scheduled in the morning. I have a few in the early afternoon, but there are very few. So, yes, that's it. And life lately has been the same. I've been feeling the same. I've been experiencing an emotional changes or whirlwind or uncertainty in everything right now. So, but it's been okay so far. I feel really anxious most of the time because I don't have a stable job. But then, um, nakakaraos naman. What is nakakaraos naman in English? I I'm getting by day by day, which is I appreciate. At least I'm still able to pay my bills and buy food for me and my dogs. My throat is itchy, although it's not that much, but at least I appreciate it. And yes, let me just check if my screen is. Yeah, so generally that's just it. Nothing's new, everything's still the same. I have tomorrow is better, and I hope tomorrow is better.